The following portion of Studio 512 is paid for by Papa John's Austin. Hey y'all, did you know National Pepperoni Pizza Day is coming up on Saturday, September 20th? Of course, Papa John's knows we all want to celebrate, so they're rolling out a tasty idea to get people talking. Austin Director of Operations, Kshean Woods, is here to tell us more about it. Kshean, good morning.
Good morning.
All right, we have been saying this in the office all week because it's just so fun to say. Will you say it first? What is the product we're talking about today?
We are launching the Papa Dippa.
Papa Dippa! It's just really fun to say. One more time.
Papa Dippa.
Papa Dippa! Why not? I think that's a ton of fun. And what exactly is the Papa Dippa?
Okay, so the Papa Dippa, of course, is going to start with our fresh, never frozen crust and our dough. And it's going to start with a creamy Alfredo base as the sauce, and then we're actually going to put a swirl of pizza sauce around there.
Nice.
And then of course it's going to get our mozzarella cheese, and then we're actually going to also add 3 cheese blend to the product as well. Then of course we can add pepperoni, but the customers, they can add whatever topping they want.
Okay. It's just maybe for National Pepperoni Day, you might want to be doing the pepperoni.
Yeah, which is tomorrow. And the good thing about that is we also have a buy one get one free because of that. And so, great opportunity to jump right in, order the Papa Dippa, and then get another one for free.
It is just such a fun term to say. And I do want to ask, what makes it a Papa Dippa? It's one, the way you've cut, very cleverly so, an original style pizza.
Right, and so instead of the 8 slices, you get 16 little slices, and it's great because you get to dip them in our new sauces that we're also launching.
Oh, and we're gonna have to talk about those sauces, Kshean. All right, so you guys, of course, are, in my opinion, the OG, the original, when I think about garlic dipping sauce. So good. It would be the reason I would call up Papa John's when I was younger, because I want that crust in that sauce. So darn good. Okay, but you've gotten even fancier. So talk to me about some of the garlic sauces that we've got here now.
Well, of course, we have our special garlic sauce. That's never going anywhere. But we also are launching our roasted garlic Parmesan sauce. We have our garlic hot honey.
Oh, that sounds really good.
Oh, it's amazing. And it's not too hot, so it will be perfect. And then we have our creamy garlic pesto.
Okay.
That's also chef touch.
I was gonna say, I don't think I've ever put pesto with pizza before.
It's amazing.
Yeah,
it's amazing.
This is why you have to do the dipping, the Papa Dip. Papa Dippa.
Yeah.
All right, so it's cool that it comes with all these great sauces, but there is more than that as far as wonderful smells on the table. I think people might be surprised to find that a pizza place does desserts. So can you talk to us just about that a little bit?
Yeah, and so a great thing to go along with pizza, everybody needs desserts, and I just want to bring the brownie and the cookie, and we also have other desserts as well. But these go great with the Papa Dippers, and you can't beat it.
You can't be, you're right. All right, so you did say that, pepperoni, a great choice for Saturday, and it's that awesome BOGO deal, which we'll circle back around to in just a moment. But we want to talk about customization, because even though you've come out with this awesome idea, you still want to give customers the ability to put their own touch on it.
Right, and so, of course, we have the National Pepperoni Day tomorrow, but you don't have to order pepperoni. If you like sausage, you can get sausage, chicken, pineapple, that's my favorite.
With some of these hot sauces, that sounds really good.
It pairs perfectly with the garlic hot honey. And so
you and I would be pizza friends. We would share this. My husband is like, sweet and meat, they don't go together, but I think a Hawaiian is one of the best things that you can have. All right, so lots of opportunities for customization, and as we mentioned, a fantastic deal, but that deal isn't around for very long.
No, and so everybody's going to want to jump on it while you can, because it is going through the end of the weekend. It ends on the 21st.
Okay, so it's just the 21st, and when we say BOGO, what do we really mean?
BOGO means buy one, get one free.
Get one free. So all you have to do is purchase one of these, and all of a sudden you've got a party.
And we're throwing another one for you.
Oh, I love the sound of that. Okay.
And it doesn't have to be the Papa Dippa. You can get anything.
Okay, BOGO.
But I would get the Papa Dippa.
All right. It's good to know from the expert. Okay, and if you're a rewards member, you could have points racking up. You could be learning about specials and things like that. So what would be the benefits of someone signing up for Papa John's Rewards?
So the benefits would be that you could also earn the points, as you stated, and you could eventually get free pizzas.
Oh, really?
But even better, you can get early access to certain things that we launch in the future.
I was going to say, what could be better than free pizza? But you're right. Okay, so there's some locks that you can see there at the bottom of the screen. That's the earning of points that will get those things unlocked. Okay, pretty cool. How do we get a hold of one of these pizzas, or 2 or 10 if we're feeling like we want to feed a crowd?
Well, you can just visit your local Papa John's, but you can also go to papajohns.com and order from there, or your app.
So downloading the app, that's a good thing too.
Yes, yes, it makes everything smoother, simple.
Oh, okay. They're on top of technology over here, I tell you what, but still going old school with that garlic sauce. I love it so much. The Papa Dippa.
Papa Dippa.
Papa
Don't you love
Dippa.
to say that?
So
Papa Dippa.
fun. Yeah, I really appreciate it, Kshean. Thank
problem,
you.
Rosie.
All right. The buy one, get one deal is only happening for a few more days. You also hop to it and get your Papa Dippa by ordering online or on the app. Better ingredients, better pizza, Papa John's. The preceding portion of Studio 512 was sponsored by Papa John's Austin.